So good morning everybody. This is my next video. I need to fix the backyard for Canada Day, so I will add more on this video as I go. This is just a pre-shot to what I'm planning to do. Okay. Good morning everybody, my name is Henry Morataya and this is my channel, The Great Venture. So I'm being very busy, being a lot of changes on my work, so I haven't had the time, so a lot of mosquitoes, I haven't had the time to tape as much. I have this video and one previous one that I'm gonna post between probably today or tomorrow, I'm not sure, depending on my time frame. Just want to give you a rundown of what I've been up to. Also at the preview of this video, I show you what I'm doing for Canada Day, a little bit of my garden, my failure so far, and what I've been up to. As you know, I've been using this selfie holder by Bauer, and it's working very well for me. It has a couple of problems here and there, especially in the handle part with the iPhone is connected to it, so I have to adapt to make the best out of it. But it's really good. It's really good. It stands very well. It holds the camera well. It has a remote control, for you can use Bluetooth to start your phone, and you can take long shots from it. Eventually I will show a little bit more of that work later. So that's what I've been up to, trying to learn how to use my equipment. And the other thing I've been up to is I've been learning how to edit it. I'm using Movie Studio 15 Platinum. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's kind of sit in between. They have a good thing and a bad thing about it. Bad thing compared to other softwares like Filmora, for example. It comes with their own music software and music clips. This one doesn't. This is completely editing, which is good, but it's a little bit hard to use. So for a beginner, you might want to consider something simple like what I use for. Sometimes I use the Microsoft photo editing. It's very simple, but if you have complicated things to do, it's not the greatest either. So I have to compromise. If I make something very simple, I use the Microsoft. If I'm working on something more complicated, I use this one, and then I use sound from YouTube, the free software they have for it, the music updates and all that. Excuse me. So to recap, parsley did not grow. I have to replant it. Melons and watermelons are growing, no problem. Radishes are growing. I might plant even more. Melon is growing. Not sure about these ones, so I will show you in the recap of this video. They're growing, but I don't know which one is which. Problem. Then these ones are growing great. I haven't figured out how I'm going to use these ones for food though. I know they're master, and I know I can use master seeds in order to make mustard, so it might be one of my projects to do. Pansies unfortunately did not grow at all. I throw the entire bag of pansies into the mulch and none of them grow. Very sad, very sad. I'm also using this blend of peppers. That is backwards. Don't know if they're growing or not, but if they're not, I will grow this in this winter time. Mint did not grow, so I stole some from my mom. Sorry, mom. Actually didn't steal it, I asked. Don't know if I'm getting jalapenos this year. However, the plants are growing. Onion was a failure. They grow very tiny and then they die. I think I might overwater them, not sure. Zucchinis did not make it. I don't think I'm gonna try to plant them. It's kind of too late in the season. I don't know. Basil, I'm not sure if it grow or not. I think I'm just gonna put more in a plant and in a pot and see how that works. Dills, actually they're doing so. They're not as big as I think in the picture. They're actually very tiny, but we'll see what happens. Tarragon, I'm not sure how I'm going to use this. Russian rose, estragon, I don't know what that is. I have to research on this. I didn't even know what it looked like. So thyme did not grow. Coriander is growing, but very slow. I think this is parsley. Also gonna try to grow again. These ones are growing. Don't know if I can make them grow this big. This is a very demanding plant that I don't know how to grow, so I'm actually winging it and see what happens. Again, I have to figure out this. I think I have to do more research on this. I'll let you guys know in the future. And the zucchinis again did not grow, so I'm gonna try some other time. And that's a beautiful plant so far. I have other projects to do, and I will try to increase my yield once I get indoors on the summertime. So this is just a preview of what I'm planning to do. Since my work is becoming more demanding, I really don't know how am I going to do with my workout and my practicing of climbing. I have to find a place so I can follow through on that, but it definitely happened this year. Hopefully I can do this next month. But I have so much in my plate. There's a couple events that I have to attend, family related events, that prevent me from doing too much. I knew that was going to happen, so I'm not deterred for the fact that I'm not going to do as much as I was planning to do. However, I'm still doing it, and as you can see, little by little I have videos coming up on the pipe. So don't forget, comment, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Okay, I'm doing this as a fun. I'm doing this for near future increase of my YouTube channel. So it's a 3-year project that I have to go climb Mount Fuji. This is extremely important for me, so that's why I'm doing this, so I can catalog it and show my efforts of going from basically not doing much into something that I have a goal to attend to. When I say not doing too much, it's more like personal wise. I don't have a specific goals. I do things here and there, but now I'm more drive to do things that I wasn't before. Keep a log on my work and so on and so forth. New things coming up. I'm designing a new logo. I'm working on a website, and hopefully I will have product for fans to give away. That will come out as my new logo shows up, and then I will decide what is going to be as a giveaway for my future subscribers. Okay, so keep that in mind, subscribers. If you keep subscribing, I will keep trying my best to give things away as a gift, as a thank you for keeping my channel going. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll see you around. Okay, so I clean my backyard, ready for Canada Day. I give you a rundown of how my plants are doing. Okay, so my flowers are growing. They haven't flowered yet, even so the neighbors have already. This one didn't make it. The pansies did not make it. But my avocado tree is kind of hanging in there. I don't think it's gonna make it, but I put 2 more avocado seeds in there. Hopefully they will grow. My lemon tree is doing awesome. It's awesomely good. I have coriander growing. That's oregano. Now the oregano I got it from my mom because my oregano died. I don't know why. And I have flowers growing there. That's supposed to be strawberries. I don't know if they're gonna make it. They're very tiny. Tiny. But so far they're growing. I hope they're strawberries and not some sort of weed. So that's going there. Now, for some reason, my chili plants did not grow very well. So I throw more seeds in there. So I don't know what I'm growing right now. But all these 4 little plants there are chilies. I don't know if they are jalapenos, sweet peppers, red peppers. I lost track. Sorry, I try, but I'm being very busy at work. I haven't shown you much videos regarding the growth, but my melons are growing, my radishes are growing, tomatoes are growing, zucchinis did not make it. That's master plants, sorry. And my rosemary did not made it. So as to recap, and let you guys know what's going on.